Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs. Let's have walk tour experience in Melbourne Museum. The Melbourne Museum is a natural and cultural history museum located in the Carlton Gardens in Melbourne, Australia. Located adjacent to the Royal Exhibition Building, the museum was opened in 2000 as a project of the Government of Victoria, on behalf of Museums Victoria, which administers the venue. The museum won Best Tourist Attraction at the Australian Tourism Awards in 2011. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Addition to its galleries, the museum features spaces such as Curious, which is a place to meet staff and find answers relating to the collections, research, and behind-the-scenes work of Museums Victoria. It houses some of the Victoria's State collections, which holds over 17 million items, including objects relating to Indigenous Australian and Pacific Islander cultures, geology, historical studies, paleontology, technology and society, and zoology. The library collection holds 18th and 19th century scientific monographs and serials. The world's second largest IMAX theater screen, which is also part of the museum complex, shows movies and documentary films in large screen 3D format. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.